Hey guys, again with a small gap, Reshma Physics came in front of you with some important engineering courses. Alright, here in this video, let us discuss about the important engineering courses, the job roles, and the recruiters. Alright, let us start with Computer Science Engineering, CSE. So, job roles are as computer programmer, system analyst, software developer, hardware developer, system engineer, system designer, database administrator, web developer, consultant, e-commerce specialist. And in government sector, recruiters are ISRO, ISRO, DRDO, CDAC, BARC, NIC, NIELIT, ICERT, IOCL, ONGC, Coal India Limited, Power Grid, DMRJC, etc. And the private sector recruiters are Intel, Dell, Hitachi, Motorola, Oracle, Google, Infosys, Microsoft, Twitter, Wipro, etc. Next important branch of engineering is IT engineering, information technology engineering. So job roles are big data engineering, machine learning engineering, data scientist, data analyst, blockchain developer, computer network analyst, computer system analyst, software developer, computer network architect, information system manager. And the recruiters of government sector are Southern Railway, Western Railway, DFCCIL, IBA, PSRRB, KTCL Goa, NID, AP, NIFT, BEL, etc. And private sector recruiters are Goldstone Technology, Hyderabad, Powercom Technology Limited, Hyderabad, Computer Institute Limited, Private Markets, Research, Qualcomm India Private Limited, etc. Next comes ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering. The job roles are as electronic engineer, electronics and communication engineer, electronic design and development engineer, desktop support engineer, system control engineer. And government sector recruiters are BSNL JTO, ISRO, DRDO, BEL, Indian Engineering Services, Indian Railway Sector, etc. And some of the private sector recruiters are TCS, Infosys, HCL, Tech Mahindra, Genpact, Wipro, etc. Next, Electronics and Electrical Engineering, EEE. So, job roles are Control and Instrumentation Engineer, Electrical Engineer, Broadcast Engineer, Manufacturing System Engineer, System Analyst, Electronic Engineer, IT Consultant, and as a System Developer. Some of the government sector recruiters are Electricity Board, Scientist in DRDO, ISRO, HAL, BHEL, BSNL, Power Grid, Indian Railway Stores Service, Indian Naval Stores Services, Central Power Engineering Service, Indian Defence Service, PIT Building, Working Service, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, BOSCH, Econ, Soliton, so on. Next comes civil engineering. The job roles are as project managers, engineering managers, civil engineer, architect, engineering inspectors and regulatory officers, drafter, technologist. Some of the recruiters in government sector are municipal corporations, Jal boards, Delhi Development Authority, Metro Line, National Highway Authority of India, Indian Oil Corporation, Public Works Department, Border Roads Organization, CPWD, MRTH, MES,
FS, Survey of India, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are Larsen and Turbo, Punch Lyod, MBL, AECOM, MECO Tech Private Limited, etc. Next branch, Mechanical Engineering branch. Job roles are aerospace industries. In aerospace industries, you will get jobs. Automotive industries, construction and building services, Indian Army Forces and Ministry of Defense, manufacturing industries, energy consultancies, energy utilities, and in some government agencies, you will get the job as mechanical engineer. And the recruiters are for government sector BHEL, HPCL, DRDO, IOCL, NHPC, GAIL, Coal India, ONGC, SCL, ISRO, etc. And some of the private sector recruiters are Tata Group, Dharmax, Larsen and Turbo, Mahindra and Mahindra, Kirloskar, the Godrej Group, etc. Next, chemical engineering. Job roles are as a chemical plant and system operator, manufacturing production technician, food scientist, biotechnologist, environmental and healthcare engineer. Some government sector recruiters are ONGC, IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, BARC, EIL, BIS, ISRO, assistant professors at IITs, NITs. Next, IFCO. Some of the private sector recruiters are pharmaceutical companies, Reliance Industries, Nayara Energy, Aditya Birla Group, Nirma, Asian Paints, Pidilite, etc. Next comes aeronautical engineering. So job roles, racing car designer, as a flight mechanics, as a engineer, graduate engineering trainee, assistant aircraft production engineer, air safety officer, assistant technical officer. Some of the recruiters in a government sector are DRDO, HAL, ADA, NAL, DGCA, ISRO, NASA, Air India, etc. Some of the recruiters in private sector are Bharat Electronics Limited, BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited, Taneja Aerospace Aviation Limited, Mahindra Aerospace, Godrej and Boise Manufacturing Company, etc. Next important one is aerospace engineering. Job roles are aerospace engineer, CAD technician, design engineer, higher education lecturer, materials engineer, maintenance engineer, mechanical engineer, patent attorney. Some government sector recruiters are airlines, Air Force, government research, helicopter companies, defense ministry, missiles, satellites, spacecraft, astronaut, DRDO, ISRO, civil aviation department, Air India, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are CAPG, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, Airbus, etc. Next comes agriculture engineering. Job roles as agriculture field officer, junior agriculture associate, rural development officer, agriculture officer, field officer, probationary officer. Some of the government sector recruiters are FCI, ICAR, NABARD, DOPR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Natural Agri Innovative Project, teaching profession in government institutions. Some of the private sector recruiters are Heritage Foods, Agrometrics, Analytics and Tech Limited, Vriksha, Agro Science Private Limited, Nurture Farm, Indrakiladri Agro Industries, etc. And next one is automobile engineering. Job roles are executive managerial position, driver instrumentation engineer, senior product engineer, automotive sales engineer, dealer account manager, quality engineer. Some of the recruiters in government sector are RTO officer, RRB, thermal power plant, scientists at DRDO, senior or junior engineers. Some of the private sector recruiters are Tata, Maruti, Suzuki, Mahindra and Mahindra, Hero Motocrop Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited, TVS Motor Company Limited, Ashok Leyland Limited, etc. Next comes biomedical engineering. Job roles are manufacturing engineer, physician, quality engineer, research medical technology developer, biomaterial developer, biomedical scientist, independent consultant. Some of the recruiters in government sector are NARFBR, RGBC, ESIC, NBRC. Some of the private sector recruiters are Wipro, Biomedical, L&T, BPL, Healthcare, Siemens, Nexus Health System Private Limited, HCL, etc. Comes biotechnology engineer. The job roles are biomedical engineer, biochemist, medical scientist, clinical technician, microbiologist, process development scientist, biomanufacturing specialist. Some of the government sector recruiters are HLL Biotech Limited, Indian Vaccines Corporation Limited, IVCOL, NCPGR, BIBCOL, NCCS. Some of the private sector recruiters are Bharat Biotech, Serum Institute of India, BIOCON Limited, NOVO, Nordisk, Shanta Biotech, Indian Immunologicals, etc. Next, ceramic engineering. Job roles as a ceramic designer, ceramic technologist, construction manager, production worker, marketing executive, professor, researcher. Some of the recruiters in government sector: mining, aerospace, medicine, refinery, food and chemical industries, Indian ceramic industries, etc. Some of the private recruiters: Kajaria Ceramics Limited, etc. Next comes industrial engineering. Job roles are as quality controller, sales engineer, project manager, architecture and engineering managers, health and safety engineer, industrial production manager. Now, the some of the recruiters in government sector are pharmaceuticals, chemicals and petrochemicals, Vizag Steel, NTPC, GAIL, HPL, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are Reliance Industry Limited, VITO, HAU, WEIL, Cargill, FMCG, textile industries, etc. Next comes environmental engineer. Job roles are as water project manager, senior environmental engineer, environmental health and safety director, green building engineer. Some of the recruiters in government sector: NBRI, Indian Institute of Technology, Ministry of Water Resources, APMDC, Delhi Pollution Control Committee, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are Seven Consultancies, Amazon, Theme Engineering Services, etc. Next comes marine engineering. Job roles as shipping, ship manufacturing, designing, construct and develop nautical instruments. These are the job roles in marine engineering. Some of the recruiters in government sector are Indian Navy, right? Shipyards, engine manufacturing companies, shipbuilding firms, ship design firms, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are Seven Consultancies, Kanwaljit Kaur Hiring for Aviation Shipping Private Limited, Global Career Solution Hiring for Marine Engineer, etc. Next comes mining engineer. Job roles are as a mining engineer technician, mine planner, mineral explorer, general manager in mines, technical consultant, research engineer, drilling engineer, mineral processing engineer. Some of the government sector recruiters are Coal India Limited, Borra Mines, Sakorda Iron Ore, HCC, MECL, NALCO, etc. Some of the private sector recruiters are Iron Jagityal, Limestone Gadwal at Telangana, etc. Lastly, silk and textile engineering. The job roles are as marketing director, consultants, manager, assistant manager. Some of the recruiters in government sector are National Handloom Developer Corporation, Central Cottage Industries, Handicrafts and Handlooms Export Corporation, National Textile Corporation Limited, etc. Some of the recruiters in private sector are Raymond Limited, Arvind, Vardhaman Textiles, etc. So these are the 19 important engineering courses now which generally all students are giving preference for this only. So depending upon the companies, either by entrance test and interview they will select for the job, or just some companies will have.
Thank you for watching my channel Reshma Physics. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, and stay with my channel to receive more videos on career guidance.